Hello my dear friends. I would like to present to your attention my new drawing and story for it. Listen to an interesting story and draw with me. I wish you all a pleasant time. Lola Bunny, a popular cartoon character from the Looney Tunes universe, once found herself in a tricky situation while participating in a basketball game. As a skilled player, she was confident in her abilities and ready to showcase her talent on the court. However, during the game, Lola's team fell behind and faced a tough opponent who seemed unbeatable. Despite her best efforts, the score gap continued to widen, and Lola started to doubt her team's chances of winning. But just when things seemed dire, Lola decided to take matters into her own hands. She rallied her teammates, motivated them to give their all, and devised a clever strategy to turn the game around. With her quick thinking, sharp skills, and unwavering determination, Lola led her team to an incredible comeback victory. The crowd cheered, and her teammates lifted her up in celebration. From that day on, Lola Bunny became known not only for her talent on the basketball court but also for her leadership skills and ability to inspire others to never give up. Her story serves as a reminder that with hard work, perseverance, and a positive attitude, anything is possible. After their amazing comeback victory, Lola Bunny and her team went on to dominate the rest of the basketball season. They worked together seamlessly, each player bringing their unique skills to the court to secure win after win. Lola's leadership and fierce determination inspired her teammates to push themselves to new levels of excellence. They practiced tirelessly, honing their skills and improving their teamwork with each game. As the playoffs approached, Lola's team was considered a force to be reckoned with. They faced off against tough opponents, but Lola's strategic mind and exceptional basketball abilities always gave them the edge. In the championship game, Lola Bunny shined like never before. She made incredible plays, scored crucial points, and led her team to a resounding victory, securing the championship title. The crowd erupted in cheers as Lola lifted the championship trophy high above her head, a symbol of their hard work and dedication paying off. From that moment on, Lola Bunny and her team were forever celebrated as basketball legends in their community. Lola's story became an inspiration to young athletes everywhere, showing them that with passion, teamwork, and belief in themselves, they could achieve greatness on and off the court. Lola Bunny's legacy as a fearless leader and exceptional athlete endured for years to come. If you liked the story and my drawing, then I invite you to subscribe to my channel to see new characters and hear the adventures that happen to them. See you.